What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So tonight I'm actually going to be doing a late night video of the phone mirroring kit, you could call it, for my 186 Crown. Now, I actually installed this ages ago, but I couldn't get the audio working and it was bugging me, and I've kind of actually just left it for quite a few months now because I was trying to get the all my other videos done for you guys. But I thought, nah, it's time. I'm going to jump in and get it finished because I want to have GPS and things like that on here. So anything you've got on your phone, you can now have on your screen. Actual screen quality, I would probably give it like maybe a 6.5, 7 out of 10. It's not as crisp as some of the Android audio stuff that I've been seeing going around lately, but this is going to cost you like 50 bucks. So you can weigh it up. I know the Android audios are a bit more expensive, but they look amazing from what I've seen. So I'm going to link everything you need in the description. It's going to be a TV plug, you know, the Lexus TV plug to RCA adapter, RCA cables, a HDMI to RCA converter, and then just a plug that goes from the HDMI to whatever your phone is. So like mine's USB-C because I got a Samsung. And then it will work that easy. So let's roll the intro and I'll show you how to do it.
Okay guys, so to get this mirroring to your phone, what you need is a plug just like this. I'll just pull it back out from the back. It's super easy to plug in. Okay guys, so what you need is this cable here. So that adapter to the RCAs. Plug in the top right of the actual stereo. It's a blue plug. Pop it in there. Then you're going to feed this into your glove box. You're probably going to have to pull your glove box out to do that. If you want to see how to pull your glove box out, just follow the link up here. But there's 4 push clips, 3 bolts, and then, so 4 push clips, take that panel off, 3 bolts, take that panel off, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws, pull your glove box out, and that's out. So I'm just going to feed this into there, and then we're going to connect it to the RCA to HDMI box, and then from that to the USB-C plug for my phone. So guys, once you fed this into your glove box, the HDMI to RCA box is going to require, I think it's 5 volts DC, which is perfect because I'll be using my Bluetooth USB power to power that. Now, if you don't have that, you can run power your own way, but that's how I would recommend it. If you want to see how to do that install and what you require for that, just click on the link up the top and that'll take you through to that. And there's another video that is linked in that video to the dash removal. So you'll need to do that, and also glove box removal is also linked in that video. So all of them are there with what you need, and then you can just follow those steps and then get to here, and then we'll just plug in the HDMI to RCA box, which I'll just go and grab, and then plug your phone into that and you're good to go.
Okay, now once you have installed the cable, which it's literally the top right plug. So when you pull this all out and you follow the videos, it's the top right plug. You're gonna run that into your glove box, which is gonna end up here, okay? Then into your RCA to HDMI, and then that's gonna go to a HDMI to your phone, and then to the base of your phone. There you go. So you plug that in, right? And then you're gonna hit TV, and then you've got to hit video. So you can hit your audio button, and you've got to hit the video one here. Otherwise, it's gonna be the TV, and it's just gonna show you this. And you're gonna go, ugh, why isn't it working? Which is exactly what I did. So once you've done it, remember, hit TV, audio, video, right? And then it's gonna bring a screen up like that. Now, to change all your custom settings, that's up to you, however you want to do it. And as you can see, the quality, sorry about that light, the quality is not the greatest. You can see what the apps are. The touchscreen does not work, okay? So just be aware of that, touchscreen doesn't work. Okay, so once your phone's connected, you've got to come down the bottom here, hit the bottom right, there's a speaker there, and you go change input method. And then you're going to come down to display device. Normally crown is connected, but you just want to go display device. And then once that's connected, it all works perfectly. That was the issue I was having for a while. Now give me 2 seconds.
Out of the crown today. I've had a request from someone.
And there you go.
How to do that. I know some cars are very involved. This
You
one
can.
is quite simple. So let's jump on in and I'll show you exactly how to play it.
You can skip forward, you can do everything you need to do. And then top right, you exit. It's just like being on the computer. And you just use your phone as the mouse, essentially. Come down here, double tap on that. You got your maps, and you can just use it just as you would use maps on your phone. So it's actually a super easy install if you've done that Bluetooth one already. If you haven't, you can do that with it. If not, the only difference is you won't use the Bluetooth device as your power source. You'll just have to run a different power source, whether it be a cigarette lighter to USB or whatever you would like to use as it. But it is literally that simple. Then you just unplug it when you don't need it. Now, I don't know about using it as like a CarPlay kind of thing. I don't think that would work as you would want it to, but you can get your GPS, you've got YouTube on there if you're sitting bored in a car park or whatever. It all works integrated quite well. So I hope this has been helpful for you guys. I know a bunch of you out there really want the mirroring option, and there it is. It's like 50 bucks. Like I said, I'm gonna put all the links for the things that you need in the description. You just need to grab that RCA to RCA cable. So if it's helped you guys, please like, please subscribe, share it with your friends. Super easy install, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.